Guys, so welcome back to another video. So in this video, we got Adrian, one of my top students. He just had a $10,000 day. And like, I've been kind of like challenging him lately because he's like one of the most active guys in my chat. And he's had, I think on his own without my trades, like 5-6 week winning streak. I'm like, all right, bro, if you have a big day, which he just had his $10,000 day, I'm gonna let you drive my Lambo. I'm just gonna gift it to him, right? But I'm here at Best Buy right now because if we get back home safe, if he doesn't mess up my Lambo, crash or anything, I'm gonna give him 2 brand new monitors because I know the setup he has right now isn't the craziest. So if we get back home safe, I'm gonna give him the 2 monitors. If he messes up the Lambo, the monitor's up for grabs. So drop a comment. You know, hopefully we get back safe in the Lambo. We're gonna go to Starbucks and let's see where the video takes us. Let's go. So we didn't think this through. We're gonna have to call for backup. So the top student just pulled up to the building. So it's Halloween, so I have a little surprise for him. We're gonna go pick him up right now, take him upstairs, and then we're gonna give him the keys to the Lambo so we go for a ride. Let's pull up on him. Yeah. Guys, so this is my top student. Bro, how old are you?
17, turning 17 now.
This guy, bro, 17, and then you dropped out of high school, right?
Yeah, I'm doing online school right now.
Online?
Yeah.
So I mean, something that like he was like, I was telling him like, bro, like, you know, you dropped out of high school, you have all the free time in the world. Like, you're in like a position right now where like, if you do this right, like you can literally be good for life. Like you don't have to go to college, school. Like you're literally good. So he's at his biggest $10,000 day. We're gonna go upstairs. I have a little surprise for him. We'll have 2 surprises for him. You guys already saw the first surprise. That was gonna be the second one. And we're gonna take him to go drive the Lambo. So please take care of my Lambo.
I got you. I try not to crash.
All right, let's go. All right, so I was showing Adrian around kind of like the office where like I did the podcast where like kind of the magic happens because me and him are always like on Zooms back and forth. So I was just showing him the space. But do you have a Halloween costume?
Nah, I actually don't.
You don't have a Halloween costume?
No.
All right, we're gonna give him the FX Alex G Trader starter pack. Watch, stay tuned. Damn, Alex G, you're like gangster, bro. But actually, you're missing one thing, bro. Gotcha. Let's go get some cake pops. Let's go. So like, how does it feel to be like part of the video, like in front of the camera? Like, how does it feel?
But it's really crazy. Like going from watching the videos to now, like actually like being a part of it. It's actually really crazy, and like motivational. Bro.
That's fine. I mean, just don't get nervous, bro. You know, just try chilling and you'll be good. Let's go get some cake pops.
Go get some cake pops.
Just look at the road. Don't look at the camera. All right, so now we're on our way to Starbucks. Like, I'm kind of giving him like, you know, how to. It's your first time in a Lambo or no?
Yeah, first time. Yeah.
First time in a Lambo?
Yeah.
I mean, how does it feel?
I mean, it's just crazy. It's different. Really different. It's a spaceship on wheels, bro.
Bro, I mean, it's bigger than a lot of people think. Like, you got mad. Like, compared to the McLaren is small. Like, super.
Yeah, it's like it's big. Like, it feels like huge. But I feel bad for anyone that doesn't try to do the boot camp, bro, to be honest. Like, the thing is, like, there's so much knowledge. Like, it's literally from, like, you show everything step by step. You don't leave anything out. That's, like, what made me the trader I am today. Just going over the videos over and over again. But yeah, it's just way too much knowledge.
I mean, I have something better, like, than the boot camp, like, coming up now. Like, I'm gonna play up this little clip of what I have next. Because the boot camp, you know, got you to where you are now. And, like, bro, the results that you're, like, making, like, I'm showing you this lifestyle because, like, bro, you're close to it. Like, just a little bit more consistency. So I'm done doing boot camp, so kind of like this next clip is what I have next, even better than me. For the past 2 months, I've been feeling down, knowing I've been letting my whole entire community down. After doing the video with Josh, the guy that I picked up from McDonald's, you know, as I'm reading through the comments, I'm realizing I've never dropped beginner gems ever. These are things I have never exposed. For the past 4 years, I've only worked with 80 selected students to be part of my bootcamp, leaving many out there to not have the proper education to succeed in this industry. I apologize, I take full responsibility as I've been building my own Rome for you guys so I can leave a legacy for all of those very well-deserved and dedicated traders. But now, the time has come to where everything that has given me the opportunity to have 6-figure weeks, have 14-week winning streaks, the skill set that I have never shown and only given access to 80 lucky selected students has now been combined on the what's, how's, why's of Forex trading, along with my sacred trading strategy and my golden trading plan that I have finally perfected after 4 long years. It will now be showcased on a guided bootcamp with all of the live recordings from bootcamp 1 all the way to bootcamp 4, showing the growth of the students that were part of it and what awaits you inside. Oh, and also, I'm gonna be doing a weekly webinar with the private community once you join the Set and Forget Army. So I make sure I never let you guys down ever again. Because once you're part of the Set and Forget family, that's for life.
Yo, Adrian! Yo, so tell me, how did you meet Alex?
Okay, so the way I met Alex, I went to the city place one night and I saw his car there on the garage, like in the garage, and I saw his sticker. He's had an Instagram on it. I was like, damn, I want to see what he does. And then I just searched him up on Instagram and saw he was a Forex trader, and that's how I met him.
Yo, and since you're so young, how long have you been trading?
I've actually been trading for like around 6.5 months now. Yeah, like around 6 months.
And in what way has the bootcamp helped you?
Bro, just if it wasn't for the bootcamp, I wouldn't be where I'm at today. Like, it's just changed my trading boundary.
Oh my God, you guys are still doing the interview?
Yeah, we're about to wrap up.
I mean, because you guys know what I said at the beginning when we got back home safe, right? So first of all, I appreciate you for getting us home safe in the car. You didn't mess it up. I appreciate you helping me out, like in all the chats, like, you know, like you moderate all the chats and stuff. I want to make sure like you elevate your trading, right? So you gotta like see the trading better. I got something. Best Buy. I got like the 2 biggest monitors that I can find. So this is all for you, bro. So congratulations, bro. I appreciate you, man. I know you can't take these in the Lambo. Trust me, they don't fit. You can pop up a picture right now, like they're not gonna fit in the trunk. So this is all for you, bro. Congratulations. I appreciate you, dog. Appreciate you. Alright, so obviously he didn't fuck up the Lambo, so he's taking these home today. So, bro, I appreciate you for real for doing it. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want to be part of the guided bootcamp, the launch is on 11/11/2022. If you guys are watching this in the future, or you guys missed the launch date, like it is closed. Like after 11/11, it will be closed until next year, 2-3 months. So I don't really like giving access to my secrets and trading very often. Like I only do it with selected people. So make sure to be part of the launch on 11/11. And if you don't get that, if you're not part of that launch, just make sure to follow me on the gram or subscribe so you stay tuned to the next one. So now we're gonna go and I'm gonna show you guys a little quick chart breakdown on a trade that I could have made easily 20-30K. So stay tuned for the chart breakdown. So that was a crazy day with Adrian. There was a mix of events. Obviously, we planned to go get the cake pops. After the cake pops, we were gonna come back to the house, do the chart breakdown. But then we got the post that Nelk was gonna be there, so we pulled up. First of all, I want to appreciate you, Adrian. I've already told you a bunch of times, but when I'm not active in the Discord and I'm not able to go out there and reply to all of the students that need help with questions, he's always helped me out, jumps in and helps them with any questions. He does Zooms with all of the students every single time. So for those of you guys that joined the guided bootcamp, you guys are going to see Adrian very often. He's always doing Zooms when I'm not. So, we're always interacting with the community. But today I want to show you guys this super simple trade I could have easily made 10, 20, 30, 40, 50K on if I would have obviously put the right lot size. But I ended up just getting wicked out by a single of a pip. It literally had my entry perfectly to my take profit perfectly, right? So this is going to be USD CAD. You guys can go check out the gram. Like I posted this all over my Instagram. So we're going to start off with, you can see how the daily was bullish at one point. Then obviously here we shifted to bearish. After we went bearish, we went bullish again, creating higher low and higher high. As you can tell, at this point, we are using the same level that was once used as resistance, then used as support, then used as support. So used as support again. The moment we body closed under this point, I'm waiting for a retracement so it uses it as resistance. Obviously, whenever we're under this level, we're selling. Whenever we're above, we're buying, right? There's a very simple concept, support and resistance. It should not get any more complicated than this. Supply and demand, this, that, it's all the same thing. Obviously, you want to call it whatever you want. I call it support and resistance. Keep it simple. There's no need to complicate it. It's like calling a steering wheel, driver, maneuvering steering. No, it's a steering wheel. It's simple. You don't have to go all crazy. So there's support and resistance. So after the daily time frame, so I'd say in this case right here, when we broke under this level of support, we identify that we need a retracement in order to sell. So this is where I would go down to the 4 hour. What a coincidence that on the 4 hour, you could even see it in more detail how it is such a stronger level of support here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like, look at all these times this level is respected. And every single time we're above, we're buying. Every single time we're under, we're selling. Above, buying, under, selling. So in this case, we're under. So what are we trying to do? Sell. Like, you're not trying to buy into this area. So that's where we would wait for the retracement into this level. Once you get the retracement at this level, this is where I start building up my confluences. So here we'll have rejection from daily area of interest, rejection from previous 4 hour structure, rejection from EMA, rejection maybe from around psychological level. And now we will be waiting for kind of like our entry signal, our rejection candlesticks. So this is great. This is actually very good. This is where I would be entering because you could have a 4 hour doji rejection. You would take this, kind of put your stop loss above, however you want to modify your stop loss. And then when it comes to my take profit, I'm going to place it at the next daily structure point. So this would be the next daily support level where we would take this, where we would be looking to get out of this trade. And you can see how it is almost stairs to the upside. And then it is stairs now about to switch to the downside. You guys can see that very clearly there. And pretty self-explanatory. After that, the trade pretty much goes all the way to take profit. If you didn't manage to get entry on this first trade, comes back, gives you another rejection candle, again, rejection from the EMA, rejection from structure, like so much that this trade gave me confidence to take it. I did take it around here. And then I had my stop loss around here, literally wicking us out by a pip. This would have been easy. I think I had it marked up at a 1 to 5. So maybe this was around like this. So we had a 40 pip stop loss for a 200 pip take profit. Wicked us out by a pip. I don't change my trading strategy. I don't change my trading approach. I don't do anything whenever this happens. I simply move on to the next trade. Let's say you were going to go catch a bus for whatever case and you missed the bus, you simply wait for another bus. You're not gonna now change your route and go somewhere else. No, it's the same thing, same destination. You just gotta wait on another bus. So we're trying to do the same thing, trying to catch the same trades with the same probabilities. We missed it, we just catch another trade. So this one kind of sucked because we lost, so we didn't kind of miss it, but it wicked us out. And I'm not here to say you guys a dream that they're always all perfect. The strategy is, and you can get these trades endlessly, and it's a perfect example of a beautiful trade I would have gotten. But yeah, I do these breakdowns all the times with the students, with the signals. So if you guys want to know more information about all that stuff, the link is in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I do these videos very often privately, not so much here on YouTube because everybody does it. Here on YouTube, it's almost kind of boring. Everybody's doing the same thing every single time. So I like doing things very differently. So yeah, chart breakdowns always in the Discord, in the Telegram. And again, when you're going to trade, keep it simple. Market structure. It can be as simple as buying at a level of resistance used as support to go to the upside. And then if you shift to the downside, now use the same exact level that was used as resistance and support to now sell from this level to go to the downside. So hope you guys found this video useful. If you guys want to see more chart breakdowns or more in detail, this is something obviously very brief. Make sure to drop a comment and I will make sure to read it. So see you guys in the next video.